Sinada. Today I want to show you my bird. Come here. This is a lovebird. And they are falling in love. See, they just fall in love. Did you see it? Yes. It's from Indonesia. And this is Cynthia, my pet bird. She's still a baby. She's so cute, but she's sometimes lonely, and she's fat. And this is my bird too. This bird is falling in love too. The girl is hatching egg, and this is my pet bird too. Isn't it cute? And there's his wife. They like to play with me.
She's baby sister bird.
This is my
Baby sister bird. Huh?
This is my uncle.
Please.
Uncle
Agung
Hawk. My uncle. He's the one who's guarding the bird. But sometimes he's go away. And this is my little sister, Bird.